Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 7 of my birthday card a day for September 2023. So let's get to it. For today's card, I used this super adorable and oh so fun stamp set from Pink and Maine called Yappy Birthday. I just think that those little pups are just so fun and they make me smile and giggle. I use this old Bo Bunny on the go collection for my papers. I also used a Mojo Monday sketch that I'll pop up in a minute. I used my most used set of dies, the My Favorite Things A2 Stitched Rectangles set 1, and some This Calls for Confetti Orange Platinum. I'll put that Mojo Monday sketch on the screen now. And then here is my card. Isn't he so super fun and cute? Yappy Birthday. Can see that sketch. I altered it a little bit. I didn't do the circles. Instead, I did the little pup. And you can see those, This Calls for Confetti, shimmer and shine there. And then on the inside, I just did some banners. So there is my birthday card for day 7. I hope that you are enjoying seeing all my birthday cards, and I can't wait to be back tomorrow and share some more with you. So until then, I hope you go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.